If you're trying to download Google Drive Beta on Windows 11 ARM, there's an important update you need to know first. Google did release a beta version for Windows 11 ARM in late 2024, but now that we're in 2025 and beyond, you usually do not need to search for the beta anymore. Google now officially provides a stable ARM-compatible version through the normal Google Drive for Desktop installer. So in this video, I'll show you the correct way to get it installed safely and quickly, without wasting time looking for outdated beta files. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple tech tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser. This can be Chrome, Edge, or any browser you normally use on your Windows 11 ARM device. In the address bar, go to the official Google Drive download page. The correct link is google.com/drive/download. Make sure you're using the official Google site, because you always want to avoid random third-party download pages when installing software like this. Once the page loads, look for the button that says Download Drive for Desktop. Click that button to start the download process. Your browser should begin downloading a file with an .exe extension. This is the installer you need. After the download finishes, open the .exe file from your Downloads folder, or directly from the browser's download bar. When Windows asks for permission to make changes to your device, click Yes. That's completely normal for software installers on Windows 11. Next, the installer window will appear. At this point, click Install, and then launch the app when the installation is complete. Google Drive will now set itself up on your computer. If you're on a Windows 11 ARM device, the installer will automatically detect your system and install the ARM-compatible version for you. Once the app launches, sign in with the Google account that you want to use for Drive. After you log in, you can choose your sync preferences, folder locations, and any other setup options that appear on screen. If this is your first time using Drive for Desktop, take a second to review those settings so your files sync exactly the way you want. Now here's something important. If you were specifically looking for the old beta version, you should know that it's no longer recommended or necessary. The stable version is the one you should use now, because it's officially supported and much easier to install. It also avoids the problems that came with old beta builds, like missing features or bugs. There are just a couple of basic requirements to keep in mind. First, you need a Windows 11 ARM device, such as one powered by a Snapdragon processor or another ARM-based chip. Second, Microsoft WebView 2 is usually already installed on modern Windows systems, but if something doesn't look right, that's one component worth checking. So to recap, the best method is not to hunt for a separate beta file. Just go to the official Google Drive download page, click Download Drive for Desktop, run the installer, allow the permissions, and finish the setup. That will give you the proper ARM-compatible version on Windows 11 ARM. And that's it! You've now got Google Drive installed the right way on your ARM device. If this video saved you time, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this tutorial with anyone else who's trying to install Google Drive on Windows 11 ARM. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.